there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a sports trivia quiz that'll leave you scratching your head faster than a cheetah chasing a gazelle. Are you ready for them? Let's go! Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? Come on, folks, time's ticking. Who is the all-time top scorer in the NBA? You got it. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Bravo! You knew it! Which team has won the most Super Bowl titles? What is the standard number of players on a soccer team? Who won the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup? Your brain cells need to pick up the pace. Which city hosted the 2012 Summer Olympics? You nailed it! What is the diameter of a basketball hoop in inches? Don't make me spill my Slurpee here, guys. How many Grand Slam titles has Serena Williams won? Smart move! Who holds the record for the fastest 100m sprint? What's taking you so long? In which sport would you perform a header? Impressive, dudes! Which country is known as the home of the martial art judo? Need a hint? Who is often called the greatest in boxing? You rock, man! How many bases are there in a standard game of baseball? It's a real head-scratcher. What is the highest possible score in a perfect game of bowling? Ha-ha! You got it! Which sport is played on an oval-shaped field with an oval ball? I've seen snails move faster than your brain cells right now. Who won the 2016 UEFA European Championship, Euro 2016? How many players are there on each side in a standard game of volleyball? It's not rocket science. Who is the only tennis player to achieve a golden slam? Ta-da! What is the standard height of a basketball hoop in feet? Wake me up when you're ready to answer, okay? Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? What is the name of the famous golf tournament held annually at Augusta National Golf Club? Who is the most decorated Olympian of all time with 28 Olympic medals? In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Keep it up! Which sport is known as the sport of kings? Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? The suspense is killing me. What is the term for a 3-strikeout inning in baseball? Ta-da! How many Olympic gold medals did Michael Jordan win? It's a real head-scratcher. Which country is famous for its dominant cricket team known as the Baggy Greens? Impressive, dudes! What is the distance of a marathon race in kilometers? I've got a prank call to make, so let's speed things up. Who is the all-time leading goal scorer in men's international soccer? Ta-da! As of 2021, in which sport do athletes perform the Fosbury flop technique? Which NBA team has won the most championships as of 2021? Need a hint? How many players are on a standard ice hockey team, including goalies? Come on, folks, time's ticking. What's the term for a score of 1 under par in golf for a single hole? Which tennis player is known for the tweener shot, hitting the ball between their legs? Impressive, dudes! In which city is the annual Wimbledon tennis tournament held? Need a hint? What is the official ball used in a game of table tennis, ping pong? Impressive, dudes! Who holds the record for the most home runs in a single MLB season? How many players are there on a standard cricket team? You nailed it! Which boxer was known for his nickname Iron Mike? Come on, folks, time's ticking! In which sport is the term hat trick commonly used to describe 3 goals by a player in a single game? Which country won the first Rugby World Cup in 1987? Need a hint? What is the primary objective of the sport of curling? It's not rocket science. Who is the only player to have won 5 Ballon d'Or awards? Wake me up when you're ready to answer, okay? In which sport is a slam achieved when a player wins all 4 major championships in a calendar year? Which NFL team is known as the America's team? Need a hint? What is the circumference of a standard basketball in inches? You nailed it! How many gold medals did swimmer Michael Phelps win in the 2008 Beijing Olympics? It's a real head-scratcher. Who is the most successful Formula One driver with 7 World Drivers' Championship titles? Ta-da! Thanks for playing, everyone. We hope you had a blast and flexed those brain muscles. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more awesome quizzes and fun content on our channel. Catch you later!